Want to know what HubSpot is really all about and how it can supercharge your business? By the end of this video, you'll walk away not only understanding what HubSpot does, but also how its features can transform the way your team works, whether you're in marketing, sales, support, or beyond. We're diving straight in, so let's get started. First things first, a little bit of history. HubSpot originally started out as an inbound marketing tool, but today calls itself an AI-powered customer platform. Now, that's a big claim, but what does it really mean for you? At its core, HubSpot is designed to be a one-stop shop for managing all the steps in the customer journey, from attracting new leads, converting sales, supporting customers, and everything in between. Just to give you some perspective on how wide-ranging HubSpot's features are, here are a few highlights. You'll find tools for grabbing new leads using online forms, a robust CRM that tracks calls and prospects, integrations for managing your social media posts, clever data automations to save you time, even options for sending invoices and payment links. And on top of all that, there's an AI-powered website builder and a full suite for customer support and ticketing. That's truly just scratching the surface. HubSpot is packed with useful tools. It's worth learning about these because when you pick the right customer platform, you can really streamline your workflow and boost your revenue. So what is HubSpot in more detail? People know it best for its powerful CRM and marketing tools, but HubSpot is actually split into 6 main hubs. That's where the name comes from. Each hub focuses on a core area: marketing, sales, customer service, content, operations, and commerce. If you're wondering who uses HubSpot, the answer is almost anyone in business. Whether you're a content editor wanting pop-up subscribe forms, a sales manager looking for hot leads, or a support specialist wanting a better way to help customers, HubSpot offers tools built for your needs. All right, let's talk about what these 6 hubs actually do. Imagine them like 6 rooms in a very well-organized house, with each room dedicated to a different job. The marketing hub helps you attract and nurture leads, with features like campaign builders, email tools, social media scheduling, analytics, and smart forms. The Sales Hub is all about driving sales and managing relationships. It's where you'll find the CRM, call tracking, pipeline management, and even AI-powered prospecting to point you toward the best opportunities. If your focus is customer support, the Service Hub is designed to make helping customers easier. It offers a help desk, ticketing, live chat, dashboards for managing communications, and AI-powered support agents, all to create a smooth experience for your clients. The Content Hub lets you build and manage your website using a drag-and-drop CMS, plus tools for SEO, testing, and content analytics. Everything you need to keep your site fresh and effective. Operations Hub comes into play when your team needs smarter workflows and clearer data. It's all about automation, syncing between tools, permission controls, and reporting. This is essential for scaling up and making smart decisions as your business grows. And finally, the Commerce Hub. This handles all things payments, invoices, quotes, subscriptions, and checkout experiences. If you sell anything, it's here that you track it and ensure your process is smooth for both you and your customers. One of the reasons people love HubSpot is because each hub is deeply integrated. Having all your marketing, sales, support, and payment data in one spot means you avoid information silos. Instead, you and your team get a shared view of everything going on. This creates transparency, gives you better insights, and saves loads of time bouncing between different platforms. So, if your business needs an all-in-one platform, or if you just want to make your team's day-to-day work easier and more effective, HubSpot's wide toolkit is well worth a look. I hope this walkthrough helped clarify what HubSpot is all about. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions about HubSpot or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives just like this, and I'll see you in the next video.